Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the ultimate guide on how to make money on TikTok in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these tips and strategies will help you turn your TikTok passion into profit. TikTok has become one of the most popular social media platforms, and it's not just for fun anymore. People are making serious money here, and you can too. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to grow your following. This means consistently posting high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Find your niche, whether it's comedy, beauty, education, or something else, and stick to it. Use trending hashtags and participate in viral challenges to get noticed. Next, let's talk about TikTok Creator Fund. Once you have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, you can apply to join the TikTok Creator Fund. This program pays you based on the number of views you get. It's not a huge amount, but it's a great start. Brand partnerships are another lucrative way to make money. As your follower count grows, brands will start to notice you. They may reach out for collaborations where you promote their products or services. Always make sure these align with your personal brand to maintain authenticity. Affiliate marketing is also a powerful tool. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche and promote products in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. Selling your own products is another fantastic way to monetize your TikTok presence. Whether it's merchandise, online courses, or digital products, TikTok can be a great platform to showcase what you have to offer. Use TikTok's features like links in bio and shopping tabs to make it easy for your followers to purchase from you. Live streaming is an underrated way to earn money on TikTok. During your live sessions, followers can send you virtual gifts which can be converted into real money. Engage with your audience, offer them value, and encourage them to support you with gifts. Finally, don't underestimate the power of cross-promotion. Use your TikTok to drive traffic to your other platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your personal blog. This way, you can leverage your TikTok fame to build a broader audience and multiple income streams. Remember, making money on TikTok takes time and effort. Stay consistent, keep experimenting with your content, and most importantly, have fun. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.